What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Mr. Who Dat 1320 back with another video, man. Yo, check this out. Got my boy Grind Hard Q with me, and make sure y'all go and check out his YouTube channel, man. He just started up and he got a 1987 Monte Carlo SS for all my Gbody folks. So if y'all want to see some more content, we both doing the same thing, man. Right now I'm in Athens, Georgia. Just scooped him up. We on our way to Enterprise. We're about to grab some breakfast real quick. On our way to Enterprise to go ahead and get a truck so we can go ahead and get these LS motors going. So as y'all know, I got a 6.2 with a 4L80 transmission, and he also got a 6.2. And like I said, y'all check him out, man. Grind Hard Q on YouTube, just starting his channel up. So y'all make sure y'all go check out his content. He got a real nice ass 1987 Monte Carlo SS. It's all black with the red stripes on it, but if y'all want to see some more of his content, y'all go check him out. But I told y'all, you know, we was coming with a video for the Monte Carlo, and also I got some more updates on the 1322. So we really just been I actually been dealing with some of the same stuff that everybody else dealing with, man. So that's the reason why I haven't posted in a while. So I appreciate everybody still rocking with me, still leaving comments and stuff like that. But right now, some hard times going. All right, so my battery ended up dying when I was recording inside the car. So but like I was saying, a lot of us are going through, you know what I'm saying, we're going through a lot right now with the coronavirus that's going on, but we are out here working, you know, bringing out some more content. But right now we're actually at 790 something subscribers, so I definitely appreciate y'all rocking with me. And really, you know, I could be posting a lot more than what I am, but like I said, I'm actually still working. I'm considered an essential worker, so I'm actually still working. So next week we actually got time off. They're actually giving us time off next week. So I'm breathing hard because we out here working. So go ahead and show y'all what we got going on. Like I said, my boy, he got the 6.2, came out of Camaro, and I got a 6.2, and we loading up right now. So we just got to the garage and start loading up the my motor, and then we about to head over to Jonesboro, Georgia to go ahead and get these things put into the car. Man, I'm breathing hard, but try to tell YouTube we out here working. But like I told y'all, Grind Hard Q, man, you know what I'm saying? He came, and that's what we doing right now, trying to get these motors on back of this truck, and it's killing us, but we getting it though. We getting it. So like I said, I'm gonna turn this camera back on once we get to Jonesboro, and I can show y'all some of the work that CMS Performers got going on. And that's the guy that's gonna be, Steven is gonna be the person working on our motors and getting our cars up and going. So y'all stay tuned, and I'll get with y'all in just a second. All right, deuces. All right, YouTube, we finally made it. Right now we're in Jonesboro, Georgia. It took us about at least an hour and 15 minutes to get out here. The ATM really held us up, man. We was at the bank, and right now can't nobody go inside the bank, so we was held up off of that. So we just now getting out of here at CMS Performance. I'm gonna have all the information down in the description below. If anybody, you know what I'm saying, wanna do an LS swap and wondering where I get all my work done, like I said, Steven, real good guy, man. He gonna be doing all the work. So yeah, if y'all need any information, just make sure y'all check the description box, and I'm gonna have all the information down below. And I got my boy Grind Hard Q. He backing the truck in right now, so we can go ahead and get these motors unloaded. Cause man, loading these motors on was crazy. We two big dudes, and I'm telling you, we struggled so hard. But like I said, we finally here. So once we get these things off the truck, man, I'm gonna kind of show y'all what he got going on so far. But all the parts haven't got in yet. So as soon as the parts come in for the LS motors, I'm definitely gonna make a that'll be a separate video. But today's video, I just wanted to show y'all that we are dropping the LS off for all my Gbody people, and we about to go ahead and get it done. But all my 1320 people, I still got some content coming for the 1320, so y'all stick with me on that, and that'll be coming up real soon. So I'm gonna get back with y'all in just a second once we get everything unloaded. All right, deuces. Yes, sir. 6.2, 4L80. Hey, what size transmission you got, man?
6L90.
6L90. 6L80. Yeah, that's what he got going on. But yeah, we have my boy shop, man. Boy Steven. Y'all see he does the LS swaps, man. Y'all see how clean them motors look. Yeah, getting it in. Yes, sir. Hey, Steve, I'm telling you, man, I'm gonna be a YouTuber, bro. You might well shout yourself out, man. Let these folks know who you is, man. I'm gonna be a big YouTuber one day, man. Y'all keep on, yeah, I'm still recording. Y'all keep on supporting your boy, man. I'll be a big YouTuber one of these days. Keep on supporting your boy. Look at that, though. Hey, man. Look at that. Dude do amazing work. Look at LSA. Lord knows I can't wait to get to that point. Oh, my goodness. Look at that. That's nasty, man. Oof. All right, YouTube, so we finally finished up. Got the motor settled in, man. And like I said, we got some more parts coming in the mail. Should be in the mail real soon. Hopefully sometime next week, all the parts will be here for the motor. We're not talking about headers and stuff like that, but that stuff is coming. But yeah, but there we go. Got the motors taken on. 6.2. Definitely gotta get rid of this. He said make more power though, but I can't ride around with this. No sir. All right, finally made it back on my side of town. So we got everything taken care of today. Got the LS motor taken over to CMS Performance. And like I said, y'all can check out the description down below. I have all the information for anybody that's interested in doing the LS swap. In the Georgia area, this guy is really good, man. He know what he's doing, so y'all can check him out. But yeah, finally made it back to the garage, and as y'all can see, still got the SS. It's not going nowhere. Don't mind that. That's just the original motor, the 305 that I'm selling tomorrow or Sunday. Actually got somebody coming to get this motor and transmission, so that's gonna be taken care of. But yeah, here's the SS, and hopefully next time I make a video, man, we'll be looking at some LS parts that we went ahead and ordered, and also this car will be running hopefully within the next couple months. But that's pretty much it. You know, I just want to give everybody a heads up on what we got going on. I appreciate everybody that subscribed to the channel. Make sure you guys like and share these videos, and let's go ahead and get me up to 1,000 subscribers, man. You know what I'm saying? Let's kind of work hard at doing that. I'm trying to get to 1,000, and like I said, I'll be posting a lot more. So we're just waiting for the parts to come in for the LS, and once those parts come in, there'll be a separate video. And also for all my 1320 people, I still got content coming for the 1320. So that's still coming. It's a lot of stuff going on right now due to the coronavirus, but like I said, we're gonna get past this and we're gonna make some stuff happen. So y'all just stick in there with me. But anyway, it's a pretty short video. Just want to give y'all an update what we got going on. But I will check y'all out on the next one. So deuces.